Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Bleach Rebirth of Souls game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application, and once you are taken into the store page, you can click on the search box. And now just type in Bleach Rebirth of Souls to begin your search. Once you find the game, you can click on it, and this will take you into the game page where you can check out the reviews and the details. Scroll down and click on the Add to Cart button alongside your preferred bundle or edition. You can then click on View My Card to continue towards your payment. Now you have the option to use your Steam wallet balance or one of the payment methods from the drop-down menu. Now fill up your credentials of your chosen payment method, and once you have completed the transaction, the game will be added to your library. You can then choose your install location and complete the installation of the game in just a few clicks. Once that is done, you can start enjoying the Bleach Rebirth of Souls game on your PC. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Bleach Rebirth of Souls game on your PC. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.